Hey, what's up? Let's keep reading. Corey, what happened? My cat found me laying on the ground, and I'm an eggplant. I'm also dead in this chapter. And let's see what happens next. Will I come back or not? Probably not, because in real life, if you're dead, you're dead. But I'm going to come back. You'll see. I'm coming right back for you. Corey, what happened? Why are you big purple eggplant? Says my cat Fliffy. Corey, speak to me. But I'm still a dead eggplant. There's got to be a way to bring you back. So Fliffy, my cat, opens up her spell book, her magical spell book, and tries to look up a magic spell to bring me back. And then she does this. Phoenix up! Boom! Caw! Then I wake up from the dead as living, back to the realm of the living. Alright, so what's happening here? Phoenix Up is just a parody of Phoenix Down from Final Fantasy. But instead, I called it Phoenix Up, which makes total sense here. It makes a lot more sense than saying Phoenix Down, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm just confused. Thank God you're all right, Corey. But I am not all right. I'm still an eggplant. Oh, right. What happened to you? Why are you an eggplant? I don't know. Why? I mean, I don't know why. Where's my wife and our dinosaurs? They better not be dead. Where's my wife and my dinosaurs? They better not be dead. This is second. My cat senses tingling. This is second. My cat senses are tingling. I can tell you about some things that happen here. This is not good at all. There's a horrific forest being resurrected. And your wife, she's being bred to bring back monsters. Your friends and dinosaurs are in trouble. But I conquered the eggplant forest. Why does that matter? You're not supposed to mess with the eggplant forest, Corey. So what? We going to do about this? So what are we going to do about this? Shit. I don't know. Where's that spider god Zofulus you always talk about? I don't know. I'm just an eggplant I gotta... Gee whiz. I don't know. I'm just an eggplant rotting in the sun. Let's get me out of here. We are miles away from civilization, and it's been 500 years since I found you. Who knows what the world is like now? This sucks! Why won't this world end? I don't know. Zofulus seems to have blessed us by not sending us another asteroid hitting Earth, but a black hole might be messing with the time-space continuum, so I don't know. Let's go already. Where do you want to go? We're in the middle of nowhere. Back to my castle. But your castle fell to ruin, Corey. If the elevator still works, we will be able to go to the hidden Zofulus Temple of Doom. I need to talk to Zofulus about what happened because I don't know. I don't know the truth anymore. I've been asleep for years. I don't know what happened. At what is left of the castle, my castle. All right, here it is. I doubt this is going to work. What floor is the Temple of Doom on? Alright, so they're inside the elevator, but it probably doesn't work. But then I said, my voice, we will use your magic to energy and get this thing going. What floor is it on, though? It's on the lowest floor, the lowest level. Let's go! Boop, boop, boop. It don't work. Then Fliffy pushes the buttons. Boop, boop, boop. It don't work. Then do your magical power to hotwire this shit. Okay. Then in the Zofulus Temple of Doom, where all the spider webs are at, because Zofulus, he's a spider god. Let's see here. Alright. We're here. This is the place. Zofulus, what happened? I seek your guidance and truth. Yeah. I've been dead for 500 years and don't know what happened. I need to seek truth. Where's my wife? And where's my dinosaurs? Your wife and friends are all trapped in the eggplant forest. But I thought I destroyed the eggplant forest. I must rescue my wife and friends. But sadly, I'm stuck in an eggplant. Can you turn me back into a warrior king and not a damn vegetable? Sure, hold on a sec. Hold still. Boom! Then Zofulus turns me back into a warrior king like myself. Thank you, God, Zofulus. Now, before you leave, your dinosaurs have been stolen by the Chinese Communist government. You mean the weirdos who spy on Americans but with balloons? But how? They were tempted by China's new false god, the Chinosaurus, with Chinese food. Tempted with Chinese food, they were lured in by Chinosaurus. Your dinosaurs no longer work for you. They are waging an ancient war against us Americans. They must be stopped, or America as an empire will fall to General Mao. This can't be those are my dinosaurs, my friends! General Mao's gonna pay for this! But the Chinosaurus can only be defeated by Roger the Dinosaur. Let him chase to fight the devil, because, well, this Chinosaurus is in fact, well, someone familiar. Alright. What do you mean by familiar? Chinosaurus sounds like a dinosaur from China! He is not from China. Actually, he is being possessed by Moloch, obeying General Mao. He is actually American, and he is in fact not Chinese at all. You see, behind his burning desire for communist manifesto, hidden within is a familiar forgotten friend, a friend of Roger. Who is it? Roger the Dinosaur's friend, Green. Oh. Alright. But how? What does Green got to do with this? He is dead! He's being used by demons to destroy and seek revenge on you and your dinosaur. On you. Let me reread that a sec. He is being used by demons to destroy and seek revenge on you and destroy your country. The only way to free Green, the dinosaur, is to defeat Chinosaurus. Roger must do that. We must realize that being used and abused for the acts of communism is wrong. And he is your friend and not a product of General Mao. We are American. We are America. Yes, in fact, we are Americans. By the way, the reason why you got turned into an eggplant is because you were cursed by the eggplant elder god magic. He still roams this land. I will destroy the eggplant elder god and free my wife and friends from this tyranny of the eggplant forest. Come on, Flippy, let's go. Stay tuned for more.